How to fix Minecraft lag easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Minecraft lag easy and quick. First, all you need to do, just go to settings and now type here background apps. Now just turn off all the background apps here just by turning off the first option. And now let's move to the next step. If you have an NVIDIA GPU, just right click on your desktop, go to NVIDIA control panel, and here click use my preference, move it to performance and click apply, and that's it. Then just close it, and that's it. Now your problem will be fixed, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.